Welcome to Review Lab. The best organic brow soap is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving perfectly sculpted and naturally defined eyebrows, offering a gentle yet effective way to groom and set your arches for a polished look that lasts all day without the harsh chemicals often found in conventional cosmetics. Number 5. NYX Professional Makeup The Brow Glue. Introducing the Brow Glue by NYX Professional Makeup. It's an extreme hold eyebrow gel designed to keep your brows perfectly in place. Experience unparalleled hold that lasts all day. This clear gel ensures your brows stay sculpted and defined without any flaking. Achieve a flawless look with its easy-to-use formula. Simply brush it through your brows for instant lamination effects. Enjoy a natural, invisible finish. It provides incredible hold while looking completely transparent on your brows. Whether you want a sleek, laminated look or just need to tame unruly hairs, this is your ultimate brow solution. What we like? This product offers an extreme hold for your brows, ensuring they stay in place all day. Its clear finish is perfect for a natural look or as a base for other brow products. If you need your brows to stay put through anything, this is the one for you. What people say. This brow soap is amazing. It holds my brows in place all day long. It's easy to use and gives my brows a natural, fluffy look. I love that it's made with organic ingredients and is cruelty-free. Number 4. Viva Naturals Organic Castor Oil 16 fluid ounces. Discover the power of nature with our USDA organic castor oil. It's cold-pressed to preserve its natural goodness. This versatile oil is perfect for your face, hair, and even eyelashes. Experience deep nourishment and a healthy glow. We use a cold pressing method to ensure you receive the purest form of castor oil. It's non-GMO and packed with benefits. Our large 16 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of this amazing oil for all your beauty needs. Enhance your beauty routine with the included beauty kit. It's designed to help you make the most of this incredible oil. Trust Viva Naturals for high-quality, organic beauty products. Embrace a natural approach to self-care. What we like? This organic castor oil is cold-pressed to preserve its nutrients, making it great for your brows, lashes, and hair. The generous 16 fluid ounces size means you won't run out anytime soon. If you're looking for a natural, multi-purpose oil for beauty and hair care, this large bottle is an excellent value. What people say. The product is easy to use and provides a natural look. It holds the eyebrows in place all day without feeling stiff. The formula is gentle on the skin and doesn't cause irritation. Number 3. Cliganic Organic Castor Oil. Discover the power of nature with our 100% pure organic castor oil. It's a versatile solution for your beauty needs. Enhance your natural beauty by nourishing your eyelashes and eyebrows. Achieve fuller, thicker-looking results with regular use. Support a healthy scalp and promote hair growth with this potent oil. It's designed to revitalize your hair from root to tip. Experience deep hydration and soothing relief for your skin. This pure oil helps to moisturize and improve skin's texture. Achieve precise application with the included eyelash kit. Everything you need to start your beauty transformation is right here. Our castor oil comes in a convenient 4-ounce glass bottle. This ensures the purity and quality of the product. What we like? This castor oil is 100% pure and comes in a convenient glass bottle with an applicator kit. It's designed for enhancing your lashes and brows naturally. If you prefer pure ingredients and appreciate the inclusion of an applicator for easy use, this is a great choice for targeted brow and lash care. What people say. This product is great for holding my eyebrows in place all day. It has a nice, natural finish and doesn't leave a sticky residue. The organic ingredients are a big plus for me, as I have sensitive skin. Number 2. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows and beautifully defined eyes with this all-in-one makeup kit. It includes everything you need for a flawless look. Our waterproof brow pencil and pomade ensure your look stays put all day, no matter the conditions. Say goodbye to smudges and fading. The innovative eyebrow stamp pencil makes creating symmetrical brows incredibly easy. get the perfect arch and fullness in seconds. This kit features a dual-ended brush for precise application and blending. Perfect your look with professional level control. The deep, dark brown shade is ideal for enhancing natural beauty and creating striking definition. It complements a wide range of skin tones. From brows to eyeliner, this comprehensive kit has you covered. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential collection. What we like. This comprehensive makeup kit includes everything you need for perfect brows, including a stamp, pencil, and pomade. The waterproof formula ensures your look lasts all day. If you're looking for a complete solution for defined, long-lasting brows in a dark brown shade, this kit simplifies your routine. What people say. The product is easy to use and provides a natural look. It holds the eyebrows in place all day without feeling stiff. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave a residue. Number 1. Ownest 2PCS Soap Brow Eyebrow Styling Kit. Introducing the Ownest 2PCS Soap Brow Kit, your new secret weapon for flawless eyebrows. Get ready to define and shape your brows like never before. This innovative styling soap creates a natural, feathery look that lasts all day. Achieve that sought-after 3D effect with ease. Say goodbye to smudging and fading. Our formula is designed to be long-lasting and waterproof, keeping your brows perfect through any activity. Achieving beautifully styled brows has never been simpler. Just a little product and a spoolie is all you need to sculpt your perfect arch. Enjoy confidence with a smudge-proof finish. This brow soap bomb ensures your makeup stays put without any unwanted transfer. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential brow styling pomade. It's the perfect addition for anyone seeking defined, natural-looking eyebrows. What we like. Achieve that trendy 3D feathery brow look with this styling soap kit. It provides a long-lasting, waterproof hold for a natural yet defined appearance. If you desire fluffy, sculpted brows that stay put without looking stiff, this product is perfect for creating that sought-after feathery effect. What people say. This brow soap is amazing. It holds my brows in place all day long. It gives my brows a natural, fluffy look without making them stiff or flaky. The formula is gentle and doesn't irritate my skin, even with daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.